you see that house right there with the lights hanging on the thing?
We are house shopping in San Diego.
Not house buying. Keyword shopping.
Window shopping.
Window shopping.
We're window shopping for houses. Look, you can see the ocean right there. Can you see the ocean in front of you? There's a big old sailboat out there. You see it?
Skin cancer.
Did you manage to go to school here?
Oh, there's a dog in there. There's 2 dogs in there. If I could bring Smoochies, sure. And if they had AC. AC's a deal breaker.
Dude, it's California. You don't know. You don't need AC here. Just open up a window.
Feels hot to me.
It's because the car's hot.
No, it's because it's summer. And the sun's finally out. The second the sun came out, it was over. I got sunburned.
She's knocked out. Look. There. Look behind you.
Aww.
She's like passed out, dude.
My skin's burning. We're buying shea butter. We're ordering it online after this. You do not get to argue because it is summer and we will need it. Oh, I keep looking at how red my face is. Look at that, Dad.
Target.
Looks like I replaced
Look how big
my
the Target
highlighter.
is.
I like the design of the Target though. It looks really nice. Corner store, antiques.
I want to stop there. A yogurt farm.
Ooh. Mediterranean kitchen. That look.
I seen it.
Two Roots Brewing. Oh my god, I just realized I had bracelets on. You know what that means? I'm going to have a bracelet tan on my arms. Oh my god, I do. Look at that. See, it's not red there. My tan was coming along nicely until I burned. Yeah. Ow! Braces to stab my gums.
Yeah, no, they were fine.
The electric chair.
Hair design. Rock your hair.
Push the line.
That's what I was saying.
Oh, these poor guys are pushing their car.
Oh. I would help, but I'm weak, so sorry. Good luck.
Damn. He's like, F you. There's his little car.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I'm telling you, that candy shop was so good, though. Woo! What's it called?
Cow Records.
Squid! I like how there's not a sign on that spot. Why don't they have a sign? Dream Girls.
You want to see a sign from God? Watch, we're going to pull around this corner. There's going to be a dude with an ice cream truck.
Watch, it's gonna be a kale restaurant. I'm gonna laugh. Oh, I actually thought there was gonna be an ice cream truck. I was probably like, bro,
We didn't go out on this. I wonder if they'll let us take Smoochies out there. I don't think she'd like that.
my skin's burning.
Because it would sway like me.
You need to go back for your nap, and I need to put all their
I don't know what to tell you.
We're not going back out on the beach. I'm burned. Literally.
Should have ate there. That'd have been a great view. Still, nothing beats Cannonball.
This stupid burned skin keeps touching everything and it burns.
Smoothies. Can I get a smoothie?
Can I get a smoochie?
I want a smoothie.
We just passed right where we're at. They had a smoothie shop. They had like 2 of them.
Yeah, but they had long lines.
Well, duh, it's hot. Of course, people are gonna want smoothies. I'm burned. Poor sensitive skin. Does anybody have a sensitive skin remover? I thought it was on your life. Oh. I need my sensitive skin revealed. I want sensitive skin.
This is a quick tour of Ocean Beach, San Diego.
Ocean man.
Driving
Take
around.
me by the hand, lead me to the land. Ocean man.
Checking out the scenery.
And singing Ocean man. Ocean man.